Hi, today we're going to be looking at a new tip for Microsoft Outlook, and this is how to create a board. To start off, we're going to go into Office Home for your web browser, and on the left panel we're going to click on Outlook. This takes us straight to our emails, but where we really want to be is in our calendar icon, which we've just clicked on the left hand side there. Now it will straight away come up with the monthly view, but if we go up to this drop down menu, you'll be able to see the different options, and we're just going to go all the way down to board and click on that. So the board option allows you to add items customized to what you need, allowing you to have all the important things for your workday in one specific space to keep you organized and productive. The drop down menu here at the top allows you to add widgets onto your board, so we're going to show you what you can add and how to customize your board to optimize its usage. So first of all, if we go on show all, it gives you all the options that you can add onto your board. We're just going to start off with a simple note, a little reminder for us to call back one of our contacts. So from here it's fully customizable. You can change the font, the color of the widget, you can add a due date. As you can see, all these options up here, we're just going to show you how to change the color and set a due date on there. So now we're just going to demonstrate how to add a contact card. You can pretty much type in any relevant contact you need or use regularly and add it onto your board. We're just going to use the example that is relevant to the note that we wrote earlier, and we're just going to change the colour so that we know that it's relevant. As mentioned earlier, you can literally add any of the widgets and fully tailor it to what is most helpful for you. For example, we have set the weather for the specific location that we are in, which you can do globally. There is also an option in the add to board section to add a target or a goal. So we're just going to show you how to do that. Literally, you can add whatever goal you have in mind and set a date for it. So this is super helpful, as you can write this down, put it on your board, so that every time you go into your Outlook there is a reminder every time of the goal that you've set for yourself. So we're just going to click on that button saying set date there and set the date that we want on there. Another really helpful widget is being able to add a file. So if we go back to add to board, you can add any significant file that you use regularly or an important document that may even need a deadline. With this, you're able to click on the file and it will open directly, so there's no wasting time trying to find the right file. Everything is where you need it to be. As you can see, our board is really coming together nicely. We can move things about to exactly where we want and fully customize it. It allows you to have everything that is important to you in one single space, whether it's tasks, reminders, notes, or even the clock widget to allow for better time management. You can even implement the tip widget, which has some handy tricks for you if you do get stuck. For the clock widget, we just want to add a city, which again can be anywhere in the globe, and this is just super helpful if you struggle with timekeeping skills. You can always have that there on your board. It is also beneficial to understand how to delete these widgets when you are finished with them. So we're going to demonstrate that now. If we click on that note that we created earlier, we can then delete it by going to the top panel and clicking remove from board. And it's as easy and instant as that. Once you have the board exactly how you want it, there's a button in the top right hand corner which says lock items. If you click on this, you are then able to lock in all the widgets that you have on there so they can no longer be moved around, which is super helpful in case of any accidents. We hope that you have found this video useful, and please subscribe for more tips and tricks.